be really fun. I'm nervous. I don't know how I'm gonna make it happen. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And guys, today I want to do a really fun sit down, well I sit down for every video, but a really fun challenge video for you guys today. I've been seeing this on the YouTube sphere and I think it's going to be so fun. So I wanted to give it a shot myself. So we're going to be doing the full face of makeup using only beauty blenders challenge. Yeah, so I've been seeing this around and like so funny story. I've been thinking about this like in the past, like not like super recently, but like maybe like a month ago. I would be like, oh, has anybody done that yet? I'm gonna take my ring off just because I may get stuff in it. I hadn't looked until like just now. So no, it has definitely been done many times before. But I think the person that started this trend was Kaushal Beauty. I'll have that channel linked in the bottom. And I'm not entirely sure who actually started it. So if it was not that person, please let me know because I want to give credit where credit is due. I also saw another one by Michaelfinch, which was really cool. So I'll have their videos linked below as well because I want to make sure I'm 100% not the first person to do this. I don't have all beauty blenders. I have one beauty blender right here and then I have two sponges from Morphe that are really good. This one, oh I forgot the name of it, but it's like a double snowman. It's like a two-balled snowman, and then this one is like the highlight contour sponge. These are both really good. But let's go ahead and get started. If you would like to see my full face of makeup using only beauty blenders or beauty sponges, then keep on watching. I zoomed you guys in a little bit just because I'm going to start with the eyes because I genuinely have no idea how this is going to go. I'm kind of scared. For my eyes today, I'm using the Magic palette by Juvia's Place. This one right here, it's really good, and I need to prime my eyes, so I need to find my primer potion by Urban Decay, and then I think what I would probably have to do, so do I just like put it on here? So I reckon I'll just stick it on like this. Can you see that? I honestly don't know. And then just kind of like wipe it on. I need a mirror. And I can't use my fingers or anything, so I honestly have no idea how this is going to work. How am I going to blend my eyeshadow out? That's what I want to know. Like honestly, how am I going to do that? Cool. So this one, I do notice these two are a bit firmer than this one. So I think these two may actually be a little bit better for eyeshadow application. So excited about that. So I've got my eyes primed. So then we're going to go ahead and move on to eyeshadow, which I don't know how I'm going to do that. I don't know how this is going to work. I'm kind of confused. So let me see here. I'm going to take the same one, the same sponge, and I'm going to go into, let's do the shade Nana right here. This really pretty light brown. I almost said pink. That's not right. And I'm just going to like do a little dab, you know, dab. And here, get some product on. I don't know how this is gonna work. I really don't. I have no clue. And then we're gonna stick this in the crease, I guess. Oh, this is not gonna go well because there is no way to actually blend this. Oh no. No. Okay. All right. So this may not do well. Alright, so I'm going to try to do like back and forth. I picked this eyeshadow palette because I know it works really well, so we're just going to try. We're going to blend back and forth. Okay, well it's not too bad. It could be worse. So that's not too bad. So I'm going to stop while I'm ahead when it comes to the crease shade. It's kind of an all over lid shade at this point. So now I'm going to go into the shade Decay. If I'm saying this incorrectly, please let me know because I do want to know how to say these names properly. This shade right here, this pretty burnt orange. And I'm going to attempt, I'm going to take the other side from the one that I just took and I'm going to stick this in the crease also, but bring it just a tiny bit down just to darken it up a little bit. And now we can, okay, so I'm going to take the rest of this off because I've got what I want. Now I'm just going to try to blend it out. I'm gonna attempt to blend it out, you know? Let's go ahead and just put some on the eyelid just for fun. Alright, well, okay, so this could be worse. I mean, it could be worse. I mean, it's pretty bad, but it could be worse. So now I'm going to take this shade right here called Juvia, this really pretty shimmery yellow color. I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna put that on the lid. So we're gonna just take this right here. Ooh, that picked up a lot of product on there. I may have used a smidgen too much, but that's alright. And we're gonna just put this on the lid and just pack it right on. Oh, that actually goes on pretty nicely. These shadows are just bomb. These shadows are just amazing, so I knew it was gonna be fine when it came to the shadows. So, but the application on the other hand, I don't know about that one, you guys. So I'm going in with a little bit of the Koji shade on the outer corner here and seeing if I can like deepen it up just a little. That was a bad idea. That was a really bad idea. Oh my god. I mean, I had good intentions, but it didn't really, well, maybe. I'm actually not too mad at that. I mean, I'm not too happy about it, but I'm just gonna stop while I'm ahead. I'm gonna stop right here. This is what we're doing. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and then I will come right back. Alright, so I got both eyes done. And guys, I want to make this very clear to you. I swear, I used this same beauty blender, but I want to make it also very transparent. I did screw this one up so bad that I did have to go in, like it was all the way like down here. So I did go in with a makeup remover and then just cleaned up the like this part down here. I did that for both sides and this one turned out a little bit brighter than this side, so I did go back in and brighten this side up a little bit as well just to make them somewhat even. So I did want to make sure I did tell you that I did use a makeup wipe to go back and clean a little bit of that up. So next, let's go ahead and move on to the face. I'm saving this one for foundation and stuff, so the normal stuff that I would do. And I am using the Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer Base Hydrating Primer. I do like this stuff a lot. I have very dry skin, so it does help. And these next 3 steps are going to be so simple because it's the stuff that I normally do every single day. So, which is foundation, concealer, and baking. And I'm just going to go ahead and speed this part up because I know this is not something that you want to sit here and watch me do the whole thing of, because like this is actually normal. This is normal here, so. Alright, foundation's done. Next, of course, I've got concealer and I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light. And concealer's done. Next is baking. So I have the CoverFX Perfect Setting Powder right here. And I'm going to go in and do that again with my Beauty Blender. That's what I would normally go in and do this with. So I will speed through this once more. And then as soon as this is done, I will come right back. Alright, and I'm going to leave that there because what I would normally do while my bake is baking is do my eyebrows. And this is another thing that I am so confused on. I have literally no idea how I'm going to do my eyebrows with a beauty blender. I have no clue how that's going to work. So we are gonna figure it out together. I have my eyebrow powder, which is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I have this right here and I'm probably gonna use this one. And I don't have like a tiny beauty blender. Like I know some people have like the really tiny ones. I don't have one of those. Let me just see if this even does anything. I mean, maybe it's giving it just a smidgen, a little bit of color. If it doesn't, like if it just gives it a little color, I'm fine with that. Like 100% I'm fine with that. I wonder if there is somebody that literally does their entire makeup routine with a beauty blender, like, or with a makeup sponge. That would be really cool. If you are one of those people, please let me know because I want you to teach me your ways. So I think that's as good as the brows are gonna get. And let me, oh, I can't use my fingers. Oh, okay, let me go back. Let me go in with the butt end of this and like go back and forth to try to blend it out a little. I'm honestly not entirely sure if it even did anything to my brows or not. So I want to make it very clear to you guys, the only 2 steps that I'm not gonna do with a sponge is eyeliner and mascara, because mascara is literally impossible to do with a sponge because like, how am I gonna do that? How? And then eyeliner, if I want to make this even remotely wearable, then I have to do it with an actual eyeliner pen. I can't do it with a sponge if I want to make it wearable, because I literally will make a line this thick if I try doing it with a sponge. So I'm not even sure how I'm gonna bronze, if I'm honest. Wow, this eyeshadow is a choice. So let me see. Alright, so I'm gonna pick up a little bit of this, and I'm using this one again. So I'm gonna pick up a little bit here, and I'm just gonna try, because I don't want to do too much, and I don't want to like wipe it, because that will 100% equal disaster. Let's try it on the head here. Okay. Oh, there we go. Now we got some pigment. That's really gonna have to be blended though. Oh my god, look! I forgot how much I love this sponge. It's like playing a baby accordion. Next up, let's go in and we're gonna do blush really quickly. I'm gonna take this same sponge right here, and I'm going into the Too Faced Sweethearts blush in the shade Something About Berry. I've used this for a long time. Okay, I think we'll stop here. I think that's enough blush for now. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner and mascara off camera, and then I will come back for highlight, lips, and setting spray, however that's gonna work. Okay, I'm back. I got my lashes and liner on. I don't know what happened to my liner today. Like, it just went south real quick, but I've got all that on. So the next thing I'm going to go ahead and put on is highlight, and I'm using the Dose of Colors X iluvsarahii. So that is her name. Last video, like when I used this first, I had no idea how to say her name, because I'm really bad at like usernames in general. Like when I actually looked at it, and like spelled it out, I was like, oh my gosh, it's I Love Sarah. I'm so dumb. I am loving this highlighter so much. It's so good. But I'm gonna be using this, and I'm gonna use this good old sponge again, and I'm gonna go in. I feel like this is gonna pick up a lot of product. Oh yeah, I'm scared. Oh, but look at that glow though. Okay. And I do know some people that put on their highlight with a sponge, like on the regular, so I know that is not, you know, an out of the norm thing. So yeah, got that on. Awesome. Fun. Next, last step we have is lips. For this eye look, since it is quite bold, I'm going to go in with the Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip right here in the shade Echo Park. I love this shade. I've really grown into this nude. I like it a lot, and I don't know how I'm going to put this on. If I'm being totally honest, do I just like this? I hope this works. And then since this is a pointed end, I will go in and try to do it that way. Pray for me and hope this works. Oh, come on. Look what I just did. Like already. The lips I feel are gonna be really hard because I've already messed up, and like the bottom lip is gonna be really hard. I think that's as good as it's gonna get, you guys. Let me actually show you a quick once over of the entire look. So starting with the lips here, this is a really terrible application of the Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip in the shade Echo Park. I do like this lip a lot. And then going down to the eyes, honestly, I'm not mad. I'm not mad at the eyes. It could have been a lot worse. I love these colors in general, but I don't know if I like them particularly in this order on me. I do like it. I think it's really pretty, and I think it would look really, actually, you know what? I like it. I think it looks pretty. I'm not mad at it. It really could have turned out a lot worse. I don't know how I feel about this. And then I'm not entirely sure if it did anything to my eyebrows, like at all. But it didn't make them look awful. I'm honestly, I'm not convinced that it did anything to them, but you know, what can you do? But guys, that is going to be the video for today. I really hope that you did enjoy watching it. It was a blast for me to film. Like, I love filming these kinds of videos, like these challenge videos. It is really nice to break it up, you know, every so often in between doing like reviews and stuff like that. I love doing the reviews so much, but I also love doing these really fun, like, quirky, fun challenges that are like really not easy, but honestly, I'm not mad at this look. It could have been a lot worse. But guys, I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click the bell like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you on Sunday. Bye-bye.